you have anything to say? Has nothing to say. There's Madison. Hi, Ashlyn. And there's Daniel and Josh in reverse order. And over there we see Mount Vernon, George Washington's mansion.
But as you travel along the Potomac River, you may notice fishermen boating boats and along the banks. The Potomac River is considered one of the top 10 best bass fishing rivers on the East Coast. Several locals will make their living guiding fishing expeditions here on the river. Other fish found in the Potomac besides bass include perch, carp, shad, herring, seal, and catfish.
Mommy, let's go there!
And that is Mount Vernon, and it's so humid you can't hardly see across the river.
Mama, Papa,
What?
that's my baseball.
That's another boy. The big green one. Okay, bye.